So we're continuing our soup. This is our soup. We it's purple. We fell asleep.
It's a genie. I found it in Pennsylvania on the side of the road. It's a genie we're gonna let out of this thing. No, really, it's not moonshine or a genie. It's a
we let the
purple medicine.
The coals cool, right?
Now show him the color.
He's so excited about the soup. We're all excited about the soup.
Yeah.
It's purple like
Can't
medicine. We store it in a jar because it's easy to travel with.
Yeah, we had to get on the road.
Oh, it's incredible.
Look how, I don't know if you could see the color, but it's purple.
It's actually purple.
Steffi's favorite color, right? One of her favorite colors. Now this is super purple. Super.
So you ready to try it? You can try it.
Okay, here we go. Here's I go. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Purple. Some onions.
There you go.
I'm gonna get everything.
It's warm enough. Are you okay?
Okay. You try it. Try it.
I know what that stuff tastes like.
Did you taste it already?
There's some big chunks you put in there, Mitchell. You gotta cut them a little smaller.
You want me to cut them even smaller?
Yeah. I can't fit.
You're not supposed to put a gigantic truckload. You just try to eat the whole thing at once. It's funny. Is that good? Okay.
It's yummy.
Okay.
Now, try
those of you that are into the health foods and health soups and everything in between, you'll know that the dark purple colors in any vegetables or fruits have the highest content of nutrients, especially antioxidants.
I thought it was the darkest green. Or the darkest colors?
The darkest colors.
Darkest and
generally
the brightest,
purple.
right?
Generally
Really?
purple, like blueberries, blackberries, things like that. And this is just a concentrate of just beautiful vitamins.
Keeps us young, huh, Stephanie? This is our medicine. Medicine. Goofy.
Oh my gosh.
We're hungry. Yeah, it's delicious.
Wow. I think this is my favorite one.
He says that every time he makes
It
one,
just
right?
gets better and better.
Like the last day, he was like, "This is my best soup I've ever
No,
made."
this is the best one by
But
far.
this is really
Are you
good.
sure?
Yeah, this is the best one.
It's fabulous.
We have it recorded. We have the last one recorded
I'm telling
saying
you, that is
that
the
is
best
your
one. It really is.
best.
This is the best one.
Okay.
So this is coming to
Distribute it.
a cafe near you.
Hey, we should sell it at the shop.
So
We gotta get a food
I
license
am going to
now.
market this, and
Yeah, you should sell it at the shop.
I've been experimenting with it, so I do want to market two different kinds. My purple magic soup.
A little background on Mitchell here. He is actually classically trained.
Yeah, I'm a classically trained chef,
So.
French cuisine, and everything in between.
That's why he's doing all the cooking.
Everyone knows that.
Steph and I chop the vegetables and do the dishes.
I'm the only survivalist, bushcraft,
I do the eating.
ex-military veteran, full-time sailor
I'm surprised
that
they didn't
knows
keep
how
you
to
in the kitchen
that knows how to really cook.
in the Navy. You kept it a secret.
Oh, they couldn't handle that. That'd be like the NSA, CIA in the kitchen.
Or you went.
They
you
couldn't
went
handle that.
to school after you got out of the
Oh,
Navy.
of course. I'm an old school Navy grunt.
All right, we're gonna finish our soup now and get back on
But
the
it
road.
really is the best. That's the best formula I've done so far. You're gonna drink it. Yeah,
I like
you
the
can.
broth.
This, if someone was sick, this is better than chicken soup.
It's delicious.
There's
Thank
much more
you.
nutrients
Thank
going on.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Happy Nomad.
Yeah, happy nomads! Yay! Thank you. Nummy to my tummy.